Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And I am Ritu. If you do not know me, I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, hauls, and fashion. So if you haven't joined the squad yet, what are you waiting for? Just go and subscribe to the channel now. And in today's video, I want to talk about a concern which is very close to my heart. And since the time I have started my journey of doing these blogs in fashion and starting this YouTube channel, I get a lot of questions about how to remove facial hair, how I do it, and there are so many myths related to facial hair removal. Now, when I was a kid, guys, and until the time that I hit puberty, I had a lot of facial hair, and it has made me feel underconfident for almost half of my life. So, because at that time my mom and my grandmother used to tell me you should not remove facial hair because otherwise your hair are gonna grow thicker, darker, and denser. And as a kid, I did not understand that, and it kind of made me feel bad because there used to be people who used to call me like very hairy at that point of time, and then I didn't know much back then. So yes, I know my journey, and I now when I get a lot of questions about teenagers from like how to remove facial hair, we do not want to use a razor, and we do not want to use waxing for the face, and how to deal with it. Now there are so many questions related to this topic because even I had them when I was a kid. So guys, this is the product which is my newly found best friend, and that is gonna be this 4-in-1 eyebrow trimmer Magica. Now this is from this brand called Bombay. Now this is gonna be a lifesaver for me. Now before using this, I used to get my face waxed. I had a lot of problem while waxing the face. First of all, it is supremely painful, guys. The facial skin is very sensitive, and when you remove the hair using wax, or even using, I do not use the tweezer anymore, or I do not use the epilator on the skin anymore because it's very painful, guys. The facial skin is very sensitive. So I try to use a trimmer for the face now. Now this is gonna be a one-time investment, guys, and believe me, this is gonna be the best investment that you can make for removing your facial hair. Now this is gonna be 4-in-1 trimmer. It is gonna be perfect for removing your sideburns, your eyebrow hairs, your upper lip, and even the hair from the chin. Now I'll tell you everything about this product in detail, how I use it and what are the benefits. First of all, guys, it's a very tiny device and it's portable that you can carry around anywhere that you're going. It also comes up with this another attachment, alright, and it comes up with this brush. Now the attachment which I use most often is gonna be this one. Now you just need, you can remove it, it is easily removable. It also comes up with a battery, so you do not need to plug it in a charger and charge it. It's very simple to use, guys. Also you can carry it around anywhere like you're going, and this comes very handy to me, especially when I need to go somewhere urgently and I have those upper lip hair popping up, or sometime eyebrows hair. So it is very handy to me, guys. It works just fine. It's a very tiny device, works magically on your skin. And you can also remove the, if you want to remove the sideburns, you can remove that, and also the little hair you have on your face. Now there are so many benefits of shaving the face, okay? There are so many myths related to it, but believe me, guys, it has been 7 years since I'm doing it, and I have no complaints, guys. This is the best thing that has happened to me, that removing the hair from, not from the roots, just superficially, guys, helps in giving you beautiful, clear, and brighter skin. Not only it helps in removing the hair, it helps in exfoliating the skin as well. So while you do it, there is a process which involves exfoliation of the skin. It removes all the dead skin cells which you have on your face, and it also helps in giving you a beautiful base to work on, even on the makeup, guys. If you do not have facial hair, believe me, your makeup is gonna look stunning. Also it helps in making the absorption of your skincare products better on the skin. Your skin looks more radiant, glowing, and clear if you have no facial hair. So ladies out there, I highly recommend, if you are not shaving your faces, just use this trimmer once and there is no going back. So yes, I'll tell you how to use it. Just clean your face, pat it dry, and just hold your skin taut and just remove the hair in small strokes. Now you will also be able to see your hair coming off. If you want to go for sideburns, guys, I'm someone who do not like sideburns at all. I make sure I remove my sideburns as well. And on the eyebrows, just make sure that you are holding your skin like really taut when it comes to eyebrows, because you do not want to ruin the shape. For upper lip, guys, it is going to be super easy. Just one stroke, it is going to be gone, and same goes for the chin as well. So yes, it's a very tiny device, very easy to use. I love this little best friend that I have. Makes me feel like super confident, and it is portable. You just need to put it in your bag if you're going on a vacation or if you're going on a holiday. You can easily carry it around. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. There is going to be the product link in the description box below. Just go and check it out. And with this, we are going to wrap up today's video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys. And I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you all so much.